Now that you know how to use these 4 specialized training techniques to unlock your body's natural anabolic growth hormones, you need an organized program that puts it all together for you. Testosterone, growth hormone, and lactic acid is more critical than your diet or any workout program you follow. You must execute each rep, each set, and each exercise using these 4 techniques to kickstart the anabolic hormones responsible for lean muscle growth. If you fail to apply all 4 of these techniques, it doesn't matter how disciplined you are with your diet, such as how much protein, carbs, and fats you consume, or what workout program you follow. But if you act on what I just explained in this course to you starting today, you'll be way ahead of your buddies and other guys around the world. Just imagine right now what a killer body will do for you in your job, marriage, dating relationships, winning the respect of others around you, rekindling an old flame, and the most valuable currency of all, time. Imagine how you'll feel right now when everything seems to go your way effortlessly because of your new physique that only took you a minimal amount of time to achieve. To increase more testosterone and growth hormone while building noticeable head-turning muscle without all the negative side effects of dangerous drugs, and to build a body that's attractive and gets stares from the opposite sex when you walk by. Since I begun sharing my secrets, hundreds of guys in 174 countries have used these exact techniques to pack on lean hard rock muscle in the shortest time possible, without drugs or bogus supplements. My desire for you is to experience the same thing for yourself. I have put together a step-by-step system which will unlock the muscle-building hormones hidden inside your body. This course will increase testosterone, growth hormone, leanness and mass, and is based all on science. This course is called 180 Muscle. This course is completely different. It is different than anything you've ever tried in the gym. It is the first and only workout that uses all 4 training techniques, maximized to produce lactic acid responsible for releasing natural testosterone and growth hormone in order to build lean and rock-hard muscle in just 180 minutes a week. You'll only train 4 days a week, but hit each muscle group twice. No one's training program does that. When you consider the research, it's pretty obvious to see why you haven't experienced the results you truly want and deserve. If you've been following any other workout programs, you're robbing yourself of unleashing the body's own anabolic hormones for maximal growth. In 180 Muscle, you get a 12-week workout and nutritional guide customized to your body in 2 unique ways. First, your workout is tailored to produce strength and muscle size. This means your exercise order, sets, reps, and combining the right muscle groups together will make the most of your workouts in a very short time. There are no other workouts in the world that support the production of testosterone and growth hormone at all. Second, your workout is tailored to create the most amount of lactic acid responsible for muscle growth and fat loss. This means your body will naturally release testosterone and growth hormone. This is done throughout the entire 12 weeks. All 4 techniques include the 3 mechanisms of muscle growth. The 3 mechanisms to muscle growth are the only scientifically proven ways to build muscle: mechanical tension, metabolic stress, muscle damage. While other workout programs are cookie cutter, 180 Muscle is tailored to fit your body type with 12 organized and progressive weeks of training, all dedicated to you training specific muscle groups arranged in the correct order so that you can increase testosterone, strength, leanness, and muscle. While standard workouts use the same old progressive model you've already tried, 180 Muscle is backed by concrete research optimizing muscle building hormones. 180 Muscle offers 4 awesome and powerful techniques you have never tried and are guaranteed to challenge your body in new and exciting ways. I am offering the tools to increase the anabolic hormones that trigger the most amount of muscle without the bogus supplements or other dangerous drugs. When you combine these 4 specialized techniques together, you can easily see how 180 Muscle will guarantee more muscle faster. It's like this. Combining the right muscle group leads to more strength. More strength builds muscle. More muscle is the result of testosterone and growth hormone. As we've already saw, lactic acid fuels your body and produces the kind of anabolic hormones you need to grow your muscle burn fat, and increase your sex drive all day long. 180 Muscle is designed for those who want to increase these powerful hormones. This means no more feeding your body and muscle with bogus supplements like test boosters or other dangerous drugs. Honestly, when you accept your invitation to 180 Muscle, I will guarantee you'll grow faster in the shortest time possible in only 180 minutes a week. Or you get a complete refund and still keep the program. I'm also going to hook you up with 2 free courses for enrolling today: my Rapid Arms course and Gladiator Chest. Quite simply, if you learn nothing else from 180 Muscle, as long as you apply and use these 4 specialized techniques, every workout you try from today will result in bigger, stronger, and leaner muscles, and you will do it without exposing yourself to injury. These specialized techniques are so powerful in 180 Muscle, they're the core of creating the most amount of testosterone and growth hormone. With 180 Muscle method, you will experience volcano-grade burns that will take your physique to places it's never been before, leaving you feeling pumped and energized. Experience a body-altering effect that feels unlike anything else. It's time to grow again by awakening every untapped and underutilized muscle fiber. Learn techniques that will help you to ensure every single workout is a winning workout and that outperforms the previous workout. Use a very specific metabolic intensifier, DRTS, that will help to flush blood and nutrients into the muscles while burning stubborn belly fat at the same time. Maximize every single ounce of your strength potential and catapult your physique into the next league. Eat your favorite cheat foods without feeling guilty. Builds what I like to call confidence-boosting muscle that leaves you unstoppable. Simply claim your copy of 180 Muscle today at this special introductory price for only $17 with the 2 free bonuses now.